Hello guys, quick video here on how to replace the batteries on a Mazda 3 remote key or fob. So that one there, what you need, the battery you need is a C1620. These are very cheap batteries, obviously. You can get the better batteries. Energizer seems to be the best. And a screwdriver or two, smaller one and a larger one to pry things open. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how to do it. This one's pretty simple. I did it in like 10 seconds, maybe 20. LOL.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'll show you exactly how to do it now. So that's the fob. The first thing you need to do is press to eject the key out. Okay, so eject that out. And then the best one to probably use is the smaller screwdriver, and I don't know if you can see it there. In there, there's like a little groove that you press to pull half the key out. See how it splits there? So in here, there's a groove. You'll see it. With some light. See if I can get some light on it. Okay. Got the light on it now, so there it is. Can you see that? That little groove just there. Put the screwdriver in there and push down, and then at the same time pull that off. So you're pushing down to basically eject it out, and that comes apart. So put the top half to the side. The battery is in this. And then you probably need the bigger screwdriver, that side of it. So what you're doing is you're just putting in between these two. Try not to break things, but what you're doing is you're just twisting to pull or to break apart the two plastic connections. So you twist either side and down, up and down that. And that comes apart like that. To show the battery in the top half, there it is. And then you get the smaller, the third little screwdriver, flathead I should say, and then you've got to eject the battery out. Okay, so this is a little bit harder, but so you just got to pry it out. Takes a bit of doing. Around, there it is, pops out. Okay. Now, it only goes one way, so that side is down, the writing side was down, so put the old one to the side. Okay, let's break open the new one. Okay guys, so I've got the new one out of the packaging. So that's it. So you're putting the writing side down, okay? So in there like that, and push until you feel it. Yeah, that sound. That's in. So that's that. Now sometimes if you're moving things around, this handle or clip will come out. It just slides back in. Just slides back in like that. This one's not actually falling out, but I have had one where it falls out. You can just, don't be too worried, slide that back in. Okay, so there's the chip set there, so it goes that way on top, like that. Okay, just make sure it clips. You can hear all of it clicking in. And then put the top half in. It only goes one way. That's it. Okay, clicks in. And that's it. Okay, so let's give it a test. Okay guys, so we'll now test it and see if it works. Okay, so there we go. There it is. Beautiful. Okay guys, until next time, thank you and Have a good day. Bye.